Yep, we're still in Seneca, and we got the railroad station here. Now, Seneca is redoing their whole downtown. So they got this all closed off over here. Looks like they're fixing a few things up there for Christmas to be opened up. See if I can get down here and get this railroad station without getting run over. Kind of got to watch the traffic. One thing about it, folks, if you're going to do video with your phone, walk along, definitely got to be concerned with traffic because, well, you could get run over. But anyway, there's a train station here in Seneca, and I suspect they'll remodel this at some point. I don't know where you can see it very good because the sun's shining right in the way. There's some skateboarders over there. They got the Christmas tree up. Definitely some stuff going on here in Seneca. Let's see if I can get over here and get turned around so you can see that building a little better. I got the power station here, look at that. We're gonna come back and get another look. But I did want to show you what's going on in Seneca. Regrading that whole thing. That's going to put something in there for sure. Clemson area transit stop. So there's the train station in Seneca. Looks like we got some cars here too. I'd walk across the street, but I don't want to be in the middle of the street. I'll walk on further a little. Yeah, look at those old buildings over there. So now, I don't know exactly what's going on up there, but I do know they're redoing all those buildings over there. So maybe I can still get a closer look. Maybe I can even walk on the main street. Let's go over here and see. They got things blocked off, so I don't know. Sure got a pretty Christmas tree. They have totally redone this. It was closed up a few years ago. Nothing really happening, but it's happening now. It's really going to be a nice place. I can imagine. Oh, look at there. Artist Pat Sink. Calico Catch. I can imagine the events going on here. There's Santa Claus up there in the building. See if I can get a closer look at Santa Claus. Yeah, zoom in here. Hi, Santa. What's doing out so early? But each one of these buildings get something's done. Yeah, look at that. Huh. Seneca, South Carolina. Let's go look at the Christmas tree. Look at those old buildings. Isn't that cool? Bringing them back to life. Just a matter of time. They got candy canes. A manger scene. Well, that's nice. Yeah. I may have to come back here at nighttime, huh? Little kiosk here. Hot cocoa free. The hot cocoa bar. Kringles. Cool. They're getting ready. They got a platform there. Railroad town with a big old Christmas tree. And that must be 40 feet high, folks. Look at that. Wow. Now I'm thinking there may have been a spur up here one time that train came up close by. But I don't know. They probably built all this stuff earlier than most recent. There we go. We got some youngsters and some bigger people. Stand in front of those wings. Get your Photoshop. Shoot a photo. I'm gonna have to find out when this is. This is apparently gonna be pretty soon. This opening must be pretty soon. Because got the. I wonder if this next weekend. Hey, because there's people here. I mean, there's trailers all ready to fire up. There's a railroad station over there. Maybe I can get a little better view from here. Huh. Downtown Seneca. Now, I'm on a nice main street here, but I tell you what, there's another street over here that's got a lot of traffic on it, and it's got some old historic buildings on it too. We're not alone here. Seneca's, it's just got a boom with all this renovation. I mean, it's got to. Can't help it. Somebody invested a lot in it. Yeah. It's going to be a really fun place to come pretty soon when it's all done. Now I'll sneak over here, take one more look as I head back to the car. And what do we have here? Oh, it's Gene and Charlie. There they are. They decided to get out of the car and take a walk. What do you think, Charlie? I think those lights are on that, or is the sun shining on them? I think the sun's shining on the lights in the trees.
Nice icicle effect.
Huh?
Makes a nice icicle.
Yeah, it does have an icicle effect. That is cool. There's the sun. I like seeing those flags, South Carolina and American flag over there. It's happening, folks. A great renewal from Seneca, North Carolina. Wait, no, Seneca, South Carolina. I'm in the wrong state. I keep having that problem. I forget where I'm at. But, well, you can see I don't got no cars coming, and I'll go crossing. Load them up, head on. Don't forget to subscribe, folks. Appreciate it. And keep me making these videos.